In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your billing address in PayPal. Keeping your billing address up to date in your PayPal account is crucial for a smooth experience when making online purchases. Whether you've recently moved, updated your credit or debit card details, or simply need to correct a past entry, ensuring your billing information is accurate can prevent transaction issues and verify your identity correctly. It's a quick and easy process, and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, you'll first need to make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully signed in and looking at your account summary page, you'll want to locate the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear symbol and is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal profile, including your personal information, security, and payment preferences. This is your gateway to updating your address details. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be directed to a page that presents various categories for managing your account. On this page, you'll need to find the specific section related to your personal information or profile. Look closely for a three-dotted line icon, which typically signifies more options or a context menu. This icon is usually located next to your existing addresses or within a section dedicated to your addresses on your profile page. It's important to identify the specific address you wish to modify. Once you locate the address you intend to change, clicking on this three-dotted line will reveal further actions you can take regarding that particular address. Once you've clicked the three-dotted line, a small menu will typically appear, presenting you with a few options. From these options, you'll want to select Edit. Clicking Edit will open up a form that allows you to make changes to your billing address. Here, you'll be able to update fields such as the street number, street name, apartment or suite number, city, state, postal code, and even the country if necessary. Take your time to carefully review each field and ensure all the new information is entirely accurate. Double-checking for any typos is always a good practice. Once you've made all the necessary changes, be sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm your modifications. This will ensure your new billing address is officially recorded in your PayPal account. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep your billing address current in your PayPal account, ensuring all your future transactions proceed without a hitch. Thanks for watching.